Are you hungry? You look to be a bit hungry.
No.
Lots of people get hungry.
That's your body. Hungry comes from your body.
Get off me.
But your body, it must have to be healthy.
What's that? A tasty snack? You don't want to go and eat a snack like that.
Greedy to eat all that, you'll end up with your teeth all grey. Do it healthy.
Food is talking.
Let's get healthy now. Is like a special house with blood, hair and organs in the different rooms. Oh look, there's Mr. Bladder in the basement. What? Now food comes in through the chimney, mouth and goes from room to room, greeting the different organs.
Hello.
Now, the good healthy food is very nice and polite to the organs, and so is invited to stay for a party. Yay! But the bad, not healthy foods are very rude and must leave through the cat flap.
Food! That doesn't make sense.
Be healthy.
Hello? What's that? A tasty snack? You don't want to go and eat a snack like that.
Greedy to eat all that, you'll end up with your gums all grey.
But something's wrong. Exactly! How do we know which ones are the healthy foods to eat?
Well, that's easy. The food groups can easily be sorted using the simple health shape. Choosing normal, plain-looking foods such as bread, cream, white sauce and aspic keep the body ticking over just nicely. Isn't that right?
I need to go. Oh, wait! What's this?
Fancy show-offy foods like cooked meats, fruit salad, soil foods and yolk. These foods will clog up the body with unnecessary detail. Oh no, look, it's all broken and on the floor.
Everything tastes great, but maybe we should wait before we put it on the plate, or it could be too late.
What's that? A pizza slice? But you're better off with plain white sauce.
What's that? Plain white sauce? Plain white sauce makes your teeth go grey.
Doesn't matter, just throw it away. Why not try something else on your tray?
Oh, what's that? A lovely pie? But you're gonna end up sad inside.
But everyone has the teeth go grey. Just eat yeast and it'll go away.
But how much have you had today? Too much yeast makes your teeth go grey. That wasn't onion paste. You shouldn't eat food from a stranger's plate. 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 A stranger's plate.